Hello everyone. Christmas is in 2 days, so let's make some Christmas candy together. Making cane candy or Christmas candy is tricky, so you really need to be prepared. So let's get started. In 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of sugar, add 1/4 cup of water, half a cup of light corn syrup or glucose syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla or peppermint. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat and stirring occasionally. Once boiling, clip the candy thermometer to the side of the pan, making sure the bulb doesn't touch the bottom. Continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches 300 Fahrenheit and add 1 teaspoon of, oh my god, what is that? I forgot. Cream of tartar. I'm sorry, I'm so blank. Cream of tartar. Mix thoroughly. This may take 15 to 20 minutes, guys. Anyway, when making cane candy, I wear fabric gloves beneath my silicone gloves because it is quite hot. And I'm using that small pot. It is a non-stick pot. It is easy to mold my candies there with different colors. Yeah. Work quickly using it's very fast to dry this, guys. So uh, honestly, I'm heating up the oven for I think 50 degrees, and I keep some of my cane candy there before molding it. Anyway, guys, before you make this candy, you really need to prepare some baking sheets with parchment paper, or lightly grease them with cooking spray. Just a little bit of grease is okay. And I'm using a heavy bottom saucepan. So yeah, a thick bottom of saucepan. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Just watch how I make this Christmas candy. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I'm so blank. Okay, guys, enjoy watching. Thank you for watching.